Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are looking at the coding challenge the power sum. This challenge can be found in hackerrank.com. If you want to solve this challenge, link will be in the description box below. The challenge is to find the number of ways that a given integer x can be expressed as the sum of nth power of unique natural numbers. For example, 100 can be expressed as the sum of square of following numbers. Repetitions or negative numbers are not allowed. Now let's build up the solution. First of all, we can see that sum of any number to the square of 10 is always greater than 100. So we can conclude that our solution lies between 1 to the nth root of x. Let's look at another example where x is 10. We have two possible cases. We can either use 1 in our solution or ignore 1. Similarly, looking at the right, we have two possible cases. We can either include or exclude 2 in our solution. And so on we come to our solution, that is, sum of square of 1 and 3 is equal to 10. You can say this is recursive algorithm, so there are lots of excess calculation. We can remove excess calculation by storing the value that has already been calculated. Then we can call the value when we require them. Now we know the algorithm, let's implement this into the code. First of all, I take care of all the inputs in the program. Then I create an array that stores from 1 to nth root of x. Now to find the solution, I need to write a recursive function. The function will take array integer x and integer n as arguments. Since it is difficult to change the size of an array, I will use another argument index. Basically, this function returns two test cases, without using the first element of the array or with using the first element of the array. This function terminates when x is equal to 0. Also, if the index moves out of range of array, this function terminates. To remove the excess calculation, I am using a map. A map is like a dictionary that contains the value in a specific keyword. Checking if map already contains this value. If it does, return the value. Also, every new value should be inserted into the map. So this is our final program. And it worked perfectly. So there you go guys, this is the solution to the power sum. If you have other challenges that you want me to solve, feel free to leave it to the comment section below. Like if you loved it, dislike if you hate it, also comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to check my other videos.